Parallel universes by Trisha Y., Christina G., and Ryan M. The universe that we know today originated in a great explosion known as the Big Bang. It's the subject of the theory of inflation, which ended 13.7 billion years ago. But it still continues in remote parts of the universe and other normal regions like ours are constantly being formed. So, what is the universe? A, B, C, or D? D, everything. Okay. But if the universe is everything, does that mean it includes the things we don't know exist or we believe exist that we cannot see or observe? We live in a small portion of the universe and can only observe a small part of it called the observable universe. It's perfectly fine when we talk about multiple observable universes. For example, an alien can see parts of the whole universe we cannot see.
Is there more than one universe out there? Is it possible? Two universes side by side? What do you think? The multiverse is a theory created by researchers or sci-fi fanatics predicting that our universe is not the only one, but states that many universes exist parallel to each other. There are 4 levels of parallel universes. Level 1. If you go far enough, you'll get back home. But what does that mean? Basically, a level 1 parallel universe says that space is so big that somewhere else out there, there have to be other planets exactly like Earth. The existence of level 1 parallel universes are unknown, but it depends on 2 assumptions. 1. The universe is infinite, and 2. Within an infinite universe, every single possible particle in the observable universe takes place multiple times. If level 1 parallel universes do exist, reaching one is virtually, but not entirely impossible.
Level 2. If you go far enough, you'll fall into Wonderland. But what is that? In a level 2 parallel universe, regions of space are continuing to undergo an inflation phase. Otherwise meaning that space is expanding. There are 2 possible theories that give reason that level 2 parallel universes may actually exist. 1. Eternal inflation. 2. Exparodic theory. Eternal inflation means that when inflation starts, it produces not just one universe, but an infinite number of universes. The exparodic theory is so new that it's still highly speculative. If the universe is the region that results when 2 brains collide, then wouldn't the brains actually collide in multiple locations? As you can tell, one universe has formed, while with the paper smacking, multiple universes form. If the sheet were a brain, then each point of contact would create its own universe, giving us no reason to think that brains collide in only one location. So, this theory makes it very possible that there are other universes in other locations.
Level 3. If you stay where you are, you'll run into yourself. But what is that? Level 3 parallel universes is from the many worlds interpretation from quantum physics. That states that if our universe stands still, eventually another universe similar to ours will run into us.
Level 4. The last level of parallel universes says that if you can prove on paper that another universe exists, then it does exist. Eureka! But of course, it's a lot more complicated than that. The Drake equation, written in 1961 by Frank Drake, is a math argument used to estimate the number of active communicative alien civilizations in the Milky Way galaxy.
So, do you believe that parallel universes exist? Yes or no?